Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing absolutely great. So this vlog is going to be all about our stay at Hotel Lake Pichola, and this was also our first time visit to Udaipur and also our first trip of 2024. While we were waiting at the reception area, I couldn't help but notice the beautiful craftsmanship of this place. Now let me take you to our room. Right at the entrance behind the main door is the emergency escape plan, which I think is very important. Onto the left you have this beautiful washroom with some Indian aesthetics. You get a really nice and gorgeous mirror. Onto the left side you have a separate shower area. So yeah, that's helpful. And here's me. Okay, moving on, this is the room. Again, you see this beautiful carved typical Rajasthani entrance. On the right side you get an area to store your luggage, and you also get a decent sized TV along with a small fridge and also a heater. Yes, there's a heater as well. So here is the vanity area where you can sit, dress up. I particularly love the mirrors here, and yes, we were greeted with those garlands when we came in here, and you also get a candle in case you are in a mood to have a candlelight dinner. Right next to the dresser you have this beautiful single door almirah that comes with a mirror as well, and this is my most favorite piece. The brass lamp is just gorgeous. We also have a queen size bed, a beautifully wooden carved queen size bed sufficient for 2 people. Again, on the other side you have another chair in case you want to sit, relax. Now this is the best part of staying in this hotel and the reason why we booked this room as well. This is the balcony that comes with some breathtaking views, especially in the evening or in the early morning when you have the sunrise. So yeah, this is east facing. You can see the sunrise early morning around 6:37 a.m. and it's absolutely gorgeous. Especially शाम के टाइम यहाँ बैठ के चाय पीना is a whole different vibe. Now this was shot early in the morning around 6 a.m. when I woke up to the aarti happening on the other side of the lake, and just look at the view. Stunning, right? Okay, now let's talk about the pricing. This is the deluxe lake facing room which costed us around 9,000 including complimentary breakfast. Now they also have a rooftop restaurant called as Opry, but honestly I found it a little overpriced. So if you're traveling to Udaipur and are looking for any premium hotels to stay, you should definitely check this place out. Again, thank you for watching. If you liked this video or you found it helpful, leave a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.